As darknet technologies evolve, so do the threats. Anonymity, decentralization, and encryption empower individuals, but they also empower attackers. Let's take a look at three of the most dangerous and fast-growing threats in the digital underground. Deepfakes, ransomware, cyberterrorism. Deepfakes trust hijacked. A deepfake is synthetic media, usually video or audio, generated by AI to mimic real people. Voice, face, mannerisms. It's convincing, it's cheap to create, and it's getting better fast. On the dark web, deepfake technology is now a service, bought and sold like any other tool. It's being used to impersonate CEOs in financial scams, blackmail individuals with fake explicit content, spread misinformation at political scale. The threat isn't just fake videos, it's eroded trust. When you can't believe what you see or hear, truth itself becomes a target. Ransomware, an industry of extortion. Ransomware isn't new, but it's more dangerous than ever. These are malicious programs that lock your files and demand payment, often in cryptocurrency, to unlock them. But today's ransomware operations aren't just lone hackers. They're organized groups, often with customer service, help desks, and marketing. Many of them operate as ransomware as a service, where one group builds the software and another deploys it. The dark web fuels this economy by offering exploit kits, payment portals, victim data auctions, anonymized communication channels. Hospitals, governments, and schools have all been targeted, and no one is too small to be a victim. Cyberterrorism, real-world consequences. As more of our lives move online, the line between digital threats and physical harm begins to blur. Cyberterrorism is the use of digital tools to cause disruption, fear, or destruction, often targeting infrastructure, public systems, or ideological enemies. Examples include power grid attacks, public transit hacks, weaponized misinformation campaigns, coordinated disruption during elections. These operations may be state-sponsored or coordinated through anonymous networks. Tor, encrypted apps, and decentralized platforms can help shield planning and execution. And that's what makes it so difficult to detect or stop. What this means for you. These threats aren't theoretical. They're happening now. As darknet tools become more accessible, so do the risks, not just to governments or corporations, but to anyone online. Staying informed isn't paranoia, it's protection. Understand the tools, watch the patterns, and remember, the best defense starts with awareness.